fix everything. He's on here. Well, I think it's time to start reversing what I've been doing, which has been taking it apart, and start putting some stuff back in there. So all these are brand new. These are the 4.5 braces. Decided just to change them all, and be no worries about these things. So. Quarter-inch rivets are a bitch. Alright, so I get this riveted on now. I got the cabin braces in, all three of them, fore and aft. You see, normally you use 3/16, and because of elongating, 1/4 inch. And these are just 1/8. So I had to use two, one here, and I got one here as well. So I don't have clamps, and there's a few things I'm figuring I got to do. So we got to put the diagonal in that runs underneath from here, attaches here, and attaches aft in the back there. And I got that fiberglass piece there at home, one for the right side that I got to repair. And what else? And once I get that in place, I got to put this fella back on. So it's getting there. I thought I'd have her almost finished, but things keep popping up. Got the strip glued on that I was gonna do last night and forgot, for the center rib in the cabin. So that's done. Put a coat of fiberglass resin on those two, so just get that a scruff tomorrow. She's coming right along. I was kind of hoping, I still am, not sure. We'll see how strong this is tomorrow. I laid the fiberglass down here, and those cracks, you can't see it of course with the resin on it, and we'll see what it's like tomorrow. Sanded her up. I got fiberglass mat, yeah, cloth on the inside here. I shouldn't say mat, it's actually cloth. So going around the corner, and I got another one overlap here to cover all the cracks and nasties that were along there. I took, see the wax paper, I took 2 pieces of scrap wood I had kicking around from the rentals in the house actually, and I clamped it all on just to make sure that stays straight. Otherwise it just want to do the wavy thing. So hopefully that's all it needs. Probably gonna have to put another one on the outside after I get rid of all this friggin' Bondo. You see the dark color? I can still smell the avgas off that, even right now. So anyway, got the inside all patched up, and it'll be tomorrow afternoon before that's set up enough, and see how we make out. Alright, it's all dried up, beefed up nice. Have to drill that out for the bolts. This big difference. I gotta put one more little piece here I forgot. Just gotta glue this back together in the front. And I cut this. I'll just fold that over. Glass her up. Resin her up. Put another piece in here. I think that goes on an angle anyway. I'll probably just fold that back over, judging by this. This here I'm going to fill up. So I'll fold this over, glue that down, put a piece in here, add another section in here, and glue this. I'll probably put a coat of resin down here to keep the fabric adhesive from attacking that styrofoam. Okay, got this glued back together. So these two join here. And got the fiberglass cloth in here. Reinforcing that so that's not all loose anymore. Epoxy's still a little tacky. All these cracks are reinforced with fiberglass cloth. Belt this up a bit and ran cloth all through here. This used to be the camera where it belongs. This used to be pretty weak. It's almost mushy. So that's all fixed. She's ready to go back on the airplane. Well, back at the hangar again. Get this fixed up. Put it on yesterday. Went to the other side. And there's a split in it here. Some damage, so for the sake of 4 rivets, I took it off. Took it home and fixed it up. So that's both sides done. These things work good. It's got the little lens polisher on it.